right, everybody, this is lesson 14.9, today's lesson. And I've got their word, definition, example. Good way to get started. Our first word is quadrilaterals, and they have 4 sides, 4 angles. And I start by making endpoints. You may write down that information. I'm going to go get myself a ruler. Working on the blurriness. Nothing seems to want to work. All right. I think it'll sort itself out in a few minutes. Here is your next word, a parallelogram. What can I do to help with the blurries? Oh, here we go. Alrighty, a parallelogram. It has opposite sides that are parallel and are equal in length. And that's where I'm wanting to get a ruler. Let me write that down. Okay, everybody. Well, I don't have a ruler, but I do have notes that I took, and these are going to go slanted. Line segments. Over here, I have a slanted line segment. And then it's going to go across. Okay. Now, the opposite sides are parallel, and they're equal in length. And in my notes, I have that when I measured this measured 2.5 centimeters. So if you happen to have a ruler handy, and I'm sorry I don't have mine handy, I just walked into the classroom, then you can measure that you make your line segments the same length. All right, we're going to move on. Here we go. This is a rectangle. Okay. It has 4 right angles. So these are going to be as straight as can be, forming the little square that are the right angles. The opposite sides are equal in length and they're parallel. So length matters. Go ahead, I'll be right there. Okay, I'm going to get creative here and I'm going to use tape measure. Let's see, this side. So I hope to make this about 4 centimeters. And then the parallel side, I'm going to make 4 centimeters. Okay. And then nothing like a ruler to make straight lines, but I'm going to make do here with what I've got. Okay, you know what a rectangle looks like. And I hope for you the very best. I hope you guys have a ruler in hand so you don't have to use tape measure. Now, these are right angles. So each corner has to have a right angle, and that makes it be a rectangle. So these are all 90 degrees, which are right angles. The opposite sides are all equal in length, and they are all parallel. Okay, let's move on. You got rhombus. Opposite sides are parallel and are equal in length. Very similar definition. I'm going to add to this that all the sides should have been equal in length. All sides equal in length. This is, for me, is going to have to be a redo with a ruler so that everything measures the same amount. Now we're on trapezoid, and it has 1 pair of parallel sides. Let's see if you can guess which one it is. Wow, I have this ruler here, but it's a meter stick. I'll use it. I'll take it. So a trapezoid, love the name, is the one where one of the sides is longer than the other. Okay, these are line segments, not lines. And then they meet here, and then you're probably thinking, oh, that's familiar. I've seen trapezoids before. Okay, I'll let you guess which ones are parallel. The vertical lines or the horizontal lines. You guessed it. The horizontal lines are parallel. They'll never run into each other. And that's a trapezoid. All right, last one is a square. Has 4 right angles. All the sides are the same length. And guess what? Mrs. Laura is going to have you find a little spot on your page, even if it's right under the word square, I don't know, or over here. Use a ruler and make a perfect square that measures maybe 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch, or 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters, as long as they're all the same length, and you have 4 right angles. All right, we're done.